So it's like a green supplement. I'll link the one I had this morning, and I added coconut milk and lemon, lime and cucumber spritz. So I made a bit of a smoothie. Instead of like regular water, I used a spritz sparkling with the coconut milk. So a small amount of the spritz, cucumber, lemon and lime. Then added coconut milk. The green supplement has matcha, kale, broccoli, cucumber, also some other greens, and it's holding me out till probably I'm going to have a brunch once I get to my location. And yeah, just here. The journey is about an hour, I believe, so yeah. Also, I didn't do a OOTD, so I'll do one now. With OOTD, these glasses, they're like perspex clear, like tin with a bit of gold or something. And these are from AliExpress. They've got the dark lens. Earrings, I think, from Primark pendant with my initial. This one has the diamante. This one's plain. Then a thrifted denim jacket that I customized with the sleeve sequins, and then there's like a sequined tiger at the back, but you can't really see because it's at the back. Then my bag, leggings, sliders, sandals, also my sliders are from Primark, and that's my OOTD. I took off my sliders and I didn't take off my leggings to get into the sea, but I paddled a bit and it was really refreshing because the weather was warm and that day was quite hot, so the cool water was just like really nice. And I walked along where there wasn't that many kids playing or like families, because at the first part of the sea there was lots of families and it was like very busy. Then I drew my name into the sand and the waves came and washed my name away. Just a classic little fun thing to do. So I just walked along the beach and that was fun. The water was gone, my feet were getting cold. However, look, they've got mini golf, like a mini golf here also. Kind of cool. I went golf when I was like really little. So I'm looking for lunch and I saw there was a fish and chips and drinks kiosk. I'm gonna explore and see what else there might be for lunch. So this is, I believe, the harbour. So there's the harbour and it's really near to the beach, but it's that way and then there's a harbour there. So cool. Just crossed over the road and that is the harbour. I'm going to just walk along and find my lunch. Got my lunch and I was looking for somewhere to sit. My eyebrows are a mess, but it is what it is. I'm on the rocks. I'm on the rocks. And I'm literally in this plant-based hot dog. I had the bite already because it's literally about 20 to 2 and I've not eaten since breakfast. So I picked out also a poke bar and some chips. Can't go wrong at the beach, get some chips. So the chips and hot dog were probably a 7 out of 10, but the poke bowl was gone off and probably a 2 out of 10. So I took that back and got an ice cream, vegan ice cream, which was really nice, 8 out of 10. Salted caramel. I loved how the water was very clear and just fresh, and the waves were pretty. The sun was out when I walked a bit further after eating ice cream.
Life said the things you want me to. Light me to someone else but you.
So I headed home and towards the train station, got on a open top bus, the first time I've ever been on one, even though in my city they've got them. I've not been on one before. Breeze, that salty sea